In this video, you'll learn how to set up a fingerprint on your Pixel 4a. By following these steps, you will enable a convenient and secure way to unlock your device. Begin by unlocking your Pixel 4a and locating the Settings app on your home screen. The app icon typically resembles a gear. Once you find it, tap on the icon to open the Settings menu. After the settings load, scroll down the list of options until you see either security or security and privacy, depending on your device's version. Tap on this option to proceed to the security settings. Inside the security settings section, look for the option labeled fingerprint unlock. Once you find it, tap on this option to initiate the fingerprint setup process. At this point, the device may prompt you to enter your PIN or password. This verification step is crucial as it ensures that only authorized users can add fingerprints to the device. After successfully entering your PIN or password, you will be guided to the fingerprint registration screen. Here, you will need to place your finger on the fingerprint sensor located at the back of your phone. It is important to ensure that your finger is clean and dry for optimal scanning. Follow the on-screen instructions, which will typically instruct you to lift and place your finger on the sensor repeatedly. As you perform this action, the device will capture different angles of your fingerprint. This process is essential because it helps the phone recognize your fingerprint accurately. Continue to lift and place your finger until the progress bar on the screen reaches completion. It is advisable to cover the edges of your fingerprint during this process to enhance recognition capabilities. Once the progress bar is full, the device will confirm that your fingerprint has been successfully registered. You may receive an on-screen notification indicating that the setup is complete. At this point, you can choose to add more fingerprints if desired, or you can simply exit the settings. Remember that having multiple fingerprints registered can be useful for quick access by different fingers. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.